Hello friends, Namaste. Myself Akanksha Purohit from Hyderabad. First of all, I would like to say my pranam to Brahmarshi Pitama Subhash Patri sir and Patri madam. Very grateful to both of them because they brought us into Anapanasati meditation, about which we really did not know till now. At least I did not know, because life before this meditation was like any other day that we used to live. It was very different every day. We had all sorts of emotions, anger, anxiety, depression, for various reasons, because life is like that. There are people, there are family, friends, job, work stress, everything was very different. But then my mother, she started practicing Anapanasati meditation, and she asked me to practice the same so that I get some kind of peace of mind and happiness. So I used to think that meditation, spiritual life, it is something which I was a bit interested in, but I did not I did not have the knowledge about it. However, when my mother asked me to do that, I started practicing it. But due to my job profile, I was not able to give much time to it. But I made it a point to do it every day, even if it was for 15-20 minutes. So after I started practicing that, the basic thing that happened in 15-20 minutes itself was that I started feeling a bit stress-free and a bit relaxed and felt good after doing it. And then while working, I was able to focus a bit more and work a bit happily, and not, why do we have to work, what is this work, those things went away in 15-20 minutes itself. After that, my mom asked me to come to this Dhyan Mahachakram, Mahila Dhyan Mahachakram, which happens every year for 10-11 days. So I told my mom that for 10-11 days it's a very long time to spare. So I said, let's try. If I'll not like it, I'll not stay here for the entire period of time. I'll just stay here for 2-3 days. That was my initial plan before coming here. But the moment I reached to this place in Kartal, the experience has been so wonderful and it has been so different that now I want to stay more number of days here, because as soon as I reach this place, the people here, the way they welcome us, it is the unconditional love that we speak of in our lives. That live example we can see here when we meet the people here. They give unconditional love, and it is not like we have met before. It is for the first time that we are meeting them, and the amount of love and acceptance that they have for us, it really changed my mentality, and I really started liking it here, and I started enjoying every moment. Like Patriji says, life is enjoyment and learning. Both go together hand in hand. So initially I did not understand all these concepts because of my lack of knowledge. But now eventually, since I am doing meditation, I am starting to understand things as to why things are happening to me. The answers I am finding them now. And even like health problems, initially I used to think health problems are getting cured. How is it even possible? Then why the doctors are here in this world? So I had all the opposite thoughts as to why is Patri sir saying like this? Is it actually like that? And Patriji also says that we should not believe him like that. We should first practice it, we should get the result, and then we should speak about it, which is very true. So every month we ladies have our problem, which is a huge problem for us. And we also question that why did we get this lady's birth? We should have been gents, which would have been way better. Their life is so easy. But no, after doing meditation, this problem has become like a remedy. I have started understanding why it is happening every month, and the pain and the cramps that we get and the mood swings, those things have literally stopped for me. Initially the problem was a huge problem for me. Now that problem is resolved health wise, family wise, everything is now so much smoother. The life has become so smooth and so happy and peaceful. There is no longer chaos inside of me. We can see chaos outside, but the chaos that is inside, we have to deal with it also. And that I have learned after doing Anapanasati meditation. So I am very, very grateful and thankful to Patri sir and Patri madam for teaching us this and getting us here. I'm really thankful to my mom for bringing me into this meditation so that I started doing this. And now I'm really, really thankful to PMC English channel for them letting me take this opportunity to speak this to all of you. And I would really ask friends, please just try it once. And if it does not work for you, it's not required for you to do. But at least once you should definitely try it. Just trust it and go for it. And if it works, then it will work wonders for you. That I can assure you. Thank you so much.